Here we have the 2020 Chevrolet Sonic Premier. This Sonic comes with a 1.4 liter turbo engine, made it to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Comes in Mosaic black metallic on jet black, dark titanium, perforated leatherette. And with this being a Premier, here you've got your daytime running lights, LEDs. Gonna get a close-up of these wheels, which are 17-inch aluminum. And there are your perforated leatherette heated seats. Got power door locks, power windows, and power mirrors. Let's check out the rear seat room. So not bad for a car this size. Can't really sit comfortably back here, but if I scooted the seat up a little bit, my knees could sit behind the seat because my feet can go under it, so it can be done. It's just not the most comfortable seating arrangement, especially with it being so low to the ground. There's your trunk space. And I forgot to mention that this Sonic does have passive keyless entry, standard on the Premiers. See what's under the hood. And there's that 1.4 liter turbocharged engine. And here's your leather wrap steering wheel, which is also heated. And you've got AM, FM, and XM radio, along with Bluetooth audio. There's your backup camera. And you've got a Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple Carplay, and Android Auto. And then you can lock and unlock the doors from here. Got your hazards. And then, like I said, you've got 2 heated seat controls, and then you've got single zone climate control. There's your automatic gear shifter, and then you can shift down and up on the side of the shifter. You've got 2 USB ports and an aux input, and off those USB inputs, that's where you'll be running your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto off of. And then you've got your traction control and trunk hatch buttons there. Got a few cup holders. A little extra storage, and then your glove compartment there. Got your cruise controls along with your heated seat control like I showed earlier. Then you've got your Bluetooth audio and just regular audio controls there. And there's your gauge cluster. Push button start. And then of course, there's your key fob with remote start. And next we're gonna take this Sonic out on the road for a quick test drive. right, finally out of the parking lot. Here we go. Pretty good pickup and pretty quick shift so far. Low end turbo boost is really good, surprisingly. See how it merges on the interstate. Pretty impressive. Rides very, very good for something of this size. I wouldn't have expected, I don't want to say I wouldn't have expected quality, but I would have expected to feel cheap as it's going down the road, but it feels like it drives about as good as the Cruise does, maybe even a little bit better. It's right in between, for me, in between the Cruise and the Malibu in terms of how smooth the ride is, even on these 17s, which are about as big as you can get on a Chevrolet Sonic. But not a bad ride at all. And I hear just a little bit of engine noise over the AC, just a slight grumble. Give a hard acceleration here. Yeah, very good power when you need it. Especially you're gonna be getting 34 miles a gallon highway, 26 in the city. It's gonna be pretty decent all the way around, especially for a daily driver. And like I said before, ride is smooth. Not really much to say about it. It like I said, it's a decent car, decent power, decent fuel economy numbers. I mean, the perforated leatherette is quite comfortable. It's nothing plush, don't get me wrong, but for a $22,000 car, it's one of the better interiors out there. And there you have it. That's my review of the 2020 Chevrolet Sonic Premier.